This is Jose Fuentes here for ShapeSarene.com. I've a long time I haven't done a video like this. I wanted to just bring a couple things to your attention here when it comes to physical therapy and fitness. I have my client Tony here who had 2 knee replaced. He came in with a lot of issues. Barely walk. He couldn't do the ball. He fell down the first day we did this. I managed to strengthen some of the ligaments on the femur and the inner thigh, as well as the IT band. So a lot of the collateral ligaments around the knee they're stronger. A lot of manual adhesion to remove some of the scar tissue, and a lot of strengthening. That's good, Tony. Now we're going to do the side rows, remember, with the thing against the wall. That's good. Careful. Just be careful. So Tony's in much better shape now. 80 years old. He got faith in me. I told him what I could do for him, and now he's just we're meeting 3 days a week on a great program, strength train and core strengthening, all the endurance training, functional training. It's there for him. So if you have someone, if you're in a position where you're afraid to work out because of some of the muscle problems or imbalances that you may have through surgeries or fractures or anything, we just want to let you know you have a place here to try. So this is a great program. This is a very careful design system for people over 70 that they still here. My oldest client is over 90. But what we did with Tony was incredible, because he had a lot of problems keeping his balance with no stability and very little strength. So we're very happy that he's doing it. I'm very proud of him. So this is Jose Fuentes for ShapeSarene.com and Mr. Tony Conte. Thank you.